Assalamu alaikum student of class ninth. Take out your book, page number 28. There is a chapter named Helen Keller. It is my fifth topic of English literature. First paragraph. How fortunate are those who are born into this world with two eyes to see all its beauty. But there are some unfortunate people who can neither see nor hear. This world, which is so full of beautiful colors and sweet sounds, appears colorless and dull to these poor souls. What a misfortune! They cannot see the lovely flowers blooming in the garden and hear the birds singing sweet songs. They indeed feel very sad, for their fate is so hard. Worse is the fate of those who can see and hear once and then no more. But they are so courageous and bold that they do not look unhappy. They accept the challenge of their fate and try to live cheerfully. Among such brave and courageous persons, the name of Miss Helen Keller topped the list. Helen Keller was born in 1880 in a little town in the United States of America. Up to the age of 2, she was quite a normal child. She could see and hear everything. In February 1882, little Helen fell dangerously ill. All felt sorry for her because she became blind and deaf. Her parents looked sad. Everybody was unhappy and the little child felt miserable. When she was 7 years old, her life suddenly changed. Helen's father asked a lady named Miss Sullivan, page number 29, to come and look after his blind child. Miss Sullivan had herself become blind when she was a child, but afterwards she got her eyesight back. She thanked God for his kindness to her by helping other blind people and making them happy and content. She started teaching Helen. One day she took Helen to the river bank and put her hand in the water. Slowly she made her write the word water on the sand. She made her do it several times, and thus Helen learned how to spell the word water. She felt very excited because she knew that at last there would be some light in her dark world. The work was very slow and difficult, but Miss Sullivan was very kind and patient. Little by little, she taught Helen about mountains and rivers and about history and geography. She even taught her how to count and do sums. Next para, 29 page. When she was 8, she was sent to a school for blind children. She had forgotten how to speak, but her teacher helped her. She would put Helen's hand on her own lips and let her feel the movement of the lips at the time of speaking. Helen did many exercises like this, and at last, at the age of 10, she was able to speak again. What a joy! She exclaimed. By and by, she learned to read books. These books were printed with raised point instead of letters, and she read them by touching with her finger. In this way, she was able to learn as much as other people could. She passed all her examination easily. She went to college and then to Harvard University. She studied at the university and graduated without difficulty. She proved to be a better student than many others. Her teacher loved and admired her. Page number 30. Last para. In 1956, this wonderful lady visited Pakistan. She was 76 but still very active. Pakistani people gave her a warm welcome. She came to our country to help the blind and the deaf. She addressed many gatherings in Karachi and visited the school for the blind, deaf and dumb. What a nice school, she exclaimed. How wonderful is it to be with you. My dear sons and daughter, always be happy and cheerful. Never curse your fate. You can do everything in this world, she said to the students of the school, and admired heartily all the ladies who were working and teaching there voluntarily with so much zeal and selfless affection. Yes, class, This is the reading of this chapter named Helen Keller. So, in this lecture, I have just read it out for you. So, what you have to do, you have to go through this chapter silently at your home and underline the difficult words. And in my next lecture, I will explain you this chapter, difficult words and meaning, and everything regarding this chapter. Like some of the idiomatic structures are expressed in this chapter, and about the notes as well. Yes, class 9th. Today was the meeting day for you all, and you people didn't come for the meeting. And today you are supposed to bring your assignment as well and your copies as well. So your copy work should be maintained according to my instructions, according to my instruction given to you. Okay, maintain your copy work, write down syllabus at the first page, and then write down the notes according to the notes provided you in my classroom. So I hope so you may be understanding what I am saying. You have to update your assignment beta and submit it to the school on Wednesday. Wednesday is the meeting day for 9th and metric classes. Okay, so if you want to meet us, if you want to inquire us, so we people are available at the school from Monday to Thursday 9 to 12 timings. Okay, if you need any help you may come, but for meeting with the parents and everything you may come on Wednesday. Okay, students, stay blessed and stay healthy, and do whatever I have instructed you in the classroom, and complete your work and complete your assignment and submit it to me positively on the coming Wednesday. We will be there for you people, and you should cooperate with us and come to the for the submission of the assignment with your parents, and with complete SOPs you have to be there, that is mask and gloves, and beta you have to bring your WhatsApp number, email ID, everything, because we are updating your biodata as well in the school premises. Might be your parents will come, your parents don't know about the email ID, so get it confirmed that your parents are going for meeting with us. So give the email ID and WhatsApp number which you are using or which you are attending for the classroom. Okay, so we need both of these requirement for a record. I hope so you may understand easily as I have given you instruction. Okay beta, stay blessed and stay healthy, and follow my instruction and complete your work, and give me for the checking on Wednesday positively. Allah Hafiz.